Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In this video, we'll cover everything: connecting the Fire Stick to your TV, pairing the remote, connecting to Wi-Fi, signing into your Amazon account, updating the device, and adjusting the most important settings. So, let's get started. Step 1. Connect the Fire Stick to your TV. First, plug your Fire Stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. Then connect the Fire Stick to its power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where you connected the Fire Stick. You should now see the Fire TV setup screen. Step 2. Set up the Fire Stick remote. Insert the batteries into your Fire Stick remote. It should automatically pair with the device. If it doesn't, press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds. Once connected, use the directional buttons to navigate and the center button to select. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Once connected, the Fire Stick may check for updates. If an update is available, let it install and don't unplug the device. Step 4. Sign in to your Amazon account. Next, sign in with your Amazon account and follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't have an account, you can create one during setup. Once signed in, your Fire Stick is linked to your Amazon account and ready for the next step. Conclusion. And that's it, your Fire Stick is now set up and ready to use. In this video, we covered everything from connecting the Fire Stick to your TV and setting up the remote, to connecting Wi-Fi, signing into Amazon, installing apps, and checking important settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.